Are you still using simple words like good, bad, or nice in your IELTS speaking and writing? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's transform your basic sentences into high-band IELTS responses. Ready? Let's dive in.
Simple sentence.
I think technology is important.
Advanced sentence.
I strongly believe that technology is indispensable in modern life. I strongly believe that technology is indispensable in modern life.
Simple sentence.
I had a good time.
Advanced sentence.
I had an enriching and unforgettable experience. I had an enriching and unforgettable experience.
Simple sentence.
Pollution is a big problem.
Advanced sentence.
Pollution is a significant and pressing concern. Pollution is a significant and pressing concern.
Simple sentence.
She is smart.
Advanced sentence.
She is highly intelligent and perceptive. She is highly intelligent and perceptive.
Simple sentence.
The weather was nice.
Advanced sentence.
The weather was delightful and invigorating. The weather was delightful and invigorating. Let's quickly recap. Remember, upgrading your vocabulary is about showing variety and precision in your language.
I think technology is important.
I strongly believe that technology is indispensable in modern life.
I had a good time.
I had an enriching and unforgettable experience.
Pollution is a big problem.
Pollution is a significant and pressing concern.
She is smart.
She is highly intelligent and perceptive.
The weather was nice.
The weather was delightful and invigorating. Now it's your turn. Pick one example from today's video and create your own upgraded sentence in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.